In the quest for a healthier living environment, the Intelligent Indoor Air Quality Monitor is a shining example of modern technology at its best. This smart device is your silent sentinel, ensuring the air within your home is clean and safe, all while being connected to your Wi-Fi for seamless app control and timely alerts. Wi-Fi connectivity. The monitor's Wi-Fi capability is its core strength. It syncs with your home network, allowing you to monitor and control it from anywhere using a dedicated app. This feature is a boon for those who value convenience and want to keep tabs on their home's air quality even when they're away. App-based control. The user-friendly app puts the power in your hands. Customize settings, receive alerts, and view detailed reports on your air quality, all from your smartphone. It's designed to be intuitive, ensuring that you can manage your home's atmosphere without any hassle. Comprehensive monitoring. This isn't just a single trick pony. It monitors a wide range of air quality factors, including PM2.5, VOx, CO2 levels, temperature, and humidity. This comprehensive approach ensures that no harmful substance goes unnoticed, giving you a complete picture of your indoor air health. Proactive alerts. The monitor doesn't just passively observe, it actively protects. When it detects air quality levels outside the recommended safety zones, it sends immediate alerts to your phone. This proactive feature enables you to take swift action to improve your home's air quality. A healthier home for all. By integrating this intelligent monitor into your home, you're making a conscious choice to prioritize the well-being of your family. It's not just about having cleaner air, it's about fostering a healthier lifestyle through informed decisions. For those eager to explore how this intelligent monitor can benefit their home, I'm just an email away. Visit my page and drop me a line. I'll respond within 24 hours with all the details you need to make your home's air quality second to none. Breathe well, live well.